A warm welcome to WordPress Basics, a part of Tech Boss program to help you become your own boss with the technology knowledge as well as branding tips to help you master tech. And these are based on my actual past trainings from over 100 plus technology. So let's start with a short testimonial. I get testimonials almost every day, and nowadays the students are saying that my sessions are experience based. So the live coaches that I'm giving, they say that they really get experience after the training and than just watching the video. So let's jump into WordPress. Now, why WordPress? WordPress is very much needed in current times. It is a powerful tool, a superpower for a small business owner or even big business owners. So even though I'm a coder, you may be a coder, but yet WordPress is a powerful weapon almost for a business because you can create a new website with all the marketing integrated without much thoughts or 6 months. It's just you can spin a website very quickly in seconds or even hours. Very fast it is. And why do we need a WordPress website? It's one of the powerful blogging technology, and various plugins are there to deploy whatever you think of, whatever is needed in business. It's mostly there as a plugin. It's a powerful content management software, and the good thing is it's free. You probably have to pay for the domain and hosting, but WordPress is almost free, and that's the reason it's very famous. It's built, the code in WordPress is done in PHP, so even now, I really love PHP. I've tested 100 plus technologies and PHP is one of the best. So let's jump into some sample WordPress websites. Some of them are Time Magazine, Sony Music, TechCrunch, Microsoft News, BBC PlayStation. So top benefits of using WordPress: ownership, especially for small business owners. WordPress is one of the key ways, and the website is one of the key ways you start to own your business. And easy management. It's like if you have a code, then any small change might take a lot of time, and maintenance is easy. There are a lot of plugins to automate things, and it's very mobile responsive, and very fast too. And if you do it the right way. So what are the types of WordPress websites? Definitely it's a blogging platform, so it's a mainly a blog website. Then you can create online store, you can create a portfolio website and a podcast and online courses. We'll see the demo to understand. So let's see the first my own website as well as the Walt Disney website. So if you look at this Walt Disney website, it's done in WordPress, and this is in the showcase of the WordPress site. This is some of the one of the top websites as a showcase in the WordPress website. It's pretty simple and neat, and you have the search feature, whatever you're looking for. Let's say I'm searching for Snow White movie. So whatever you're searching for, uh, you probably get it here, and search feature is there. And now the most important thing is this SEO. So when you do it in WordPress, all of them are taken care of by WordPress. There are powerful plugins. For example, I search the keyword Thangu Academy. It immediately shows learn.thangu.com. Of course, I have another platform where there's be a lot of coding, but it doesn't come up in the Google search. That's my intention. Also, I'm not going to make it public. This is for big clients and big trainings for very serious in learning, and very innovative and powerful way to learn, experience game-based learning, and it's really interesting. There's a if you want to convert your exact idea to a software, I really prefer coding, but it takes a lot of time. So let's come back to WordPress itself. So this is a LMS, which probably I would have deployed in 1 or 2 weeks of time. So it didn't take much time. So this is a small academy and a lot of courses. I'm testing various platforms, and this is also pretty good. So I have a tech boss program where I'm planning to push all the tech basics in one bundle and monetize expertise for helping experts to get money. So there are a lot of courses here, and SharePoint Basics, Microsoft Teams. So this is one LMS where I didn't spend much time coding. So now if I search for the course PowerShell, the PowerShell comes, and I really like this also. This is the LearnPress plugin, and it's a powerful feature where there I can put time limit, and and there's a lot of features that is already taken care of. So this is something which many platforms did not have, where I could give a time limit, they can access for 7 days or 30 days, and powerful features are there. So this is a beautiful LMS plugin from WordPress. So let's look at my own website, which I really don't look into much because I'm caught up with many things. So this is a simple WordPress website. I have the search box, I have the logo, and then the like if you are people who are interested to join the free groups, they can join, and the free ebook to those who want to get their freedom in business to get a start passive income, either side income or passive income. So that's a tech start your online business. So of course this is what you do, and so please keep note of all this, because more than resume, sometimes you might need to have your portfolio website. So it will be a simple website with showcasing what all you do, what exactly you do, what are the products and services. You can have, and then definitely you're short into what are the services and the contact details and the Google Map. So that's like a standard, and if you and then you should have the privacy policy or cancellation terms and conditions, and next, testimony. So about page is very important, where you're going to share information about yourself, and if you have a video, so it's just your innovative, and testimonials are very important. So when you have a portfolio, you can share the testimonials the clients have given you, and it's up to you. And then these are the categories. And then for right now, I have not spent much time, but this is a powerful blogging platform. So let's look at some nice blogs. So let's look at the blogs. So I really enjoyed the blogging. I really took the help of mentors to learn blogging. So let's look at one blog. So blogging is a powerful way to share knowledge. I don't think even Google can exist without blogs, because many people search for content either in blogs or YouTube. So many people put the content. So when you put the content, you're actually helping the world. So here I'm showcasing some knowledge about InterServer. This is one of the best hosting provider. So even if you need to have WordPress, you have to choose the hosting provider, and I recommend InterServer. I share my experience and what all you can do. So there are many related blogs also. So if you want to start blogging, I recommend that you use WordPress to start blogging. Or even simple Google blogs. So it's very powerful. So blogging is what WordPress is known for. So this is called category, okay? And so whatever based on your products or offers and services, you have to just put the category. So right now these are some training programs, and then this is the contact. So you can start simply with the home page, about, and then contact. That should be enough. And if you have, most of the business need the e-commerce, so usually it goes to the e-commerce. I have not done the WordPress e-commerce. I had issues with the Razorpay integration and all. I have both customers international India, so still, and I have like customers paying in 5 different ways: Paytm, PhonePay, Google Pay, and PayPal. So it's still it's all sometimes manual and not automated. So let's come back and we look at the WordPress test, and we'll see how what is plugin. We'll just have a look into that soon. So now whatever you saw was the website. Now look at the admin side. So this is the admin WordPress dashboard. So what are the posts? So whatever post you have, it's a blogging site. So I deployed this as a pizza site for one of my students. So these are the types of pizza. So I just added the pizza theme. So automatically it created all these types of pages. So I didn't have to manually add all this. It's a pizza type of site, and it was done. So and look at the appearance and themes. You can install your custom themes and choose whatever is needed based on your business needs. And so look at the plugins. So the plugins are very important. So just by adding a new plugin, whatever business feature you have, you can actually add the plugin you need. So in this particular example, we have WooCommerce installed to have an online shopping center. So we look at the test.thangu.com. So without much coding, this was deployed in seconds, probably live, and I really find it amazing, because when you're doing business and there's a lot of work, and I really can't spend 6 months of time to deploy a site, or just, and this WordPress is super quick and all the marketing aspects are taken care of. So now WooCommerce is installed. So look at this. These are the products, and one item was added. And of course, it's just one product for testing. So any business mostly runs on, of course, they need the payment coming in. So WooCommerce plugin keeps it simple to deploy a online store very easily. And why like WordPress is very important is because anyone who wants to start a business needs a WordPress site. And getting, of course, there's a lot of supply, many of and less demand. And there's a lot of demand also. With proper marketing strategies, you can easily get clients for WordPress. So if you are new to the if you're a fresher out of college, then you can start creating WordPress websites and get money. That's one way. Or even if you are experienced, you have to probably start your own website soon to probably start your own brand or showcase your years of experience or showcase or start your online business. And WordPress is one of the powerful tools to really even start monetizing. So one is the online store, another is the LMS, and it's really a powerful way to start making money also if you want to make money. And just it's just your out of box thinking, you can really do so many things because there are so many plugins, and you can if you have, even if you don't have coding knowledge and you really want to do something, WordPress is the key. And many clients might come to you asking for WordPress. There are many projects. If you're a coder and you want to code, then WordPress plugins, if you have to, we can develop custom WordPress plugins. That's also a way to get income. So this is a very powerful and essential skill you need to have now, okay, developing a WordPress site. And it's and if, even if you want to start your own business, you don't need to hire a developer. You can do it yourself. So that's a powerful way. And some of the plugins sometimes are needed. So if you look at the existing plugins, so it has automatically installed some plugins. So Jetpack might be needed. So these things take care of security, performance, and all. So all these things are automated. So if you want to install a plugin, let's just test to install a plugin, and let's like you have a buddy press. This is one plugin where we can actually have the clients interact with each other like a Facebook. And this is like one requirement which one client has needed, and that has been deployed also. So this is a very powerful feature, the plugin. So whatever you want, you just have to search for the plugin and you'll be able to install it and start using it in seconds. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. So creating a WordPress site is very easy. So what are the best practices to keep it simple? Avoid too many plugins. So sometimes you have to test the plugins. For example, I was doing the LearnPress and the Razorpay plugin was not working well. The site was crashing. So you really have to test it many times and don't have too many plugins, and just try to keep it simple and minimum plugins. Keep your business requirements simple if possible. And we saw the demo. So of course, WordPress is also evolving. So I really like PHP now, and it's I'm sure it's going to last longer. It's going to be there for a longer time. WordPress. It's very easy. It's going to be even more easier going ahead. Of course, AI and many AI concepts might be integrated. And so thank you, and you're an awesome WordPress developer too. So if you're interested in WordPress training, there are many professionals with more than 10 years of expertise to help you out live also. You have instant options to get instant course and or exclusive course based on your needs. So it can be a basic WordPress course, live course where we'll be giving you hands-on experience on creating a WordPress site. So I really recommend that you start creating a WordPress site, at least a portfolio site. If you need some help, drop your questions in the comment box. So there are various types of training, crash course, currently 7-day boot camps, 21-day boot camp, 90-day boot camps are going on. So based on your need, you can ask, just submit in thangu.com/TTA. So you're welcome to join the tech circle or biz circle based on whether you're a business owner or a learner. Go to thangu.com/groups, and you're also invited to test many products beta versions for free. So thank you so much. Wish you grand success.